Kupo Kupo. I am Melvin Anthony Newton, and I'm going to show you some basics on how to play piano. Basics number one. What are the notes on a piano? Pianos, keyboards, they are all, music is made up of patterns. I'll put it that way. Music's made up of patterns. So are the instruments. So the pattern here on keyboards and pianos are of the black notes, or the black notes and white notes. They're all made up of groupings of 2 black notes, space, 3 black notes, space, 2 and 3, all the way up and all the way down the keyboard. I'm just going to go ahead and say keyboard because that's what I'm using right now. So, musical alphabet A through G. Everyone starts at C. So how you know where C is always to the immediate left or a half step down from the grouping of 2 black notes. So 2 black notes, here's C. 2 black notes, here's C. Okay? And for the groupings of 3, to the immediate left or a half step down from the 3 black notes is F, which also makes sense because grouping of 2, we have C, D, E, F, which is the immediate left or half step down from the 3 black notes. Cool. So you got that? So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And it repeats again because here's C, which is the left of the 2 black notes. And then we go back up the scale. Okay. So now that we know that much on the white notes, tell me what note this is. If you guessed E, then you are correct. Good job. Let's do it again. Shuffle, shuffle. Oh wait, no. There we go. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Okay. Change things up for you. So what note is this? Remember, groupings of 3, F. Groupings of 2, C. So this note is B. C, well, 1 less than C is B. Cool. Good job. Now, what about this one here? If you guess D, then you're correct. Good job. Now we've gotten the gist of C of 2 and F of 3. Now let me introduce you to the black notes, or the accidentals. Accidentals are literally sharps and flats, pretty much at the same time. So this note here, the first of the 2 black notes, has 2 names. It's known as C sharp and D flat. For right now, both names are correct, but whenever you're reading sheet music, it all depends on what it's called, is actually depending on what key you're in. So we have C sharp and D flat. This note would be D sharp or E flat. This is F sharp, G flat. This black note is G sharp and A flat. And this, of course, is A sharp and B flat. Sharp, I forgot to say this earlier, sharp literally means a half step up. Flat is a half step down. So, sharp being up, flat being down, just like tuning if you're in band or if you've heard any band's tuning. Random, what note is this? Okay, if you've guessed D, you're correct. What about this one? This one right here, the middle of the 3. So it's a 3. Left, we have F, G. Up a half step from G is G sharp. Or, since this is a half step down from A is A flat. So excellent. This one C sharp and D flat, very good. And this one here, A sharp and B flat. Excellent, excellent work. You now know what the white notes are called and what the black notes are called. Good job. I will catch you Kupos later.